Right then guys, this is our new Colorvu audio camera, 4 megapixel, true colour at night. It's got a little light on it as well, so if it is a real dark area, rural area, we can actually activate the light on it. I'd say the camera is around 4 metres high on the side of the wall, so I'm just going to walk further on. I'm not sure what the audio is like here. This is a bit of a review, a bit of a test for me. I'm not sure how loud it is. I'll play back and have a look. And I'll even go further by the skip. Again, not sure what you can hear from here, but I'll have a look in a moment. Oh, it's a cracking camera, guys. It's setting out fast. The true colour at night. No lights required, and that's the 4 megapixel IP with built-in audio.